Greetings, my Farsi packers. I'll be, ending the archive series, and I want you to pass on. And I'll teach you how to make it with this tutorial vid. Alright. Hypothetically, 1.6 is out, which it already is. Which you'd want to go to... Oh yeah. You go to your start menu, %app data %, and you click on roaming. But if you're using Windows XP, you'd want to search for run. And then you go %app data, it brings you to the same directory. Now you go to .minecraft, bin, and here's the Minecraft folder. Oh, executable Java file. You open it with WinRAR or 7-zip, whichever one you want. Now you double click your lang folder, and you select the language that you normally speak fluently with. For me, it's English, so I take out English US. And then when I'm done that, I close. And then you'd want to make a new archive folder which has your latest Farsi pack archive with all the files dragged inside. Which I needed to update this. So by the time you're done that, you'd want to take your lang file, drag it into the contents for language folder, lang, and put it in here. Wait. Yeah. And here we go. I'm pretty lost here. Alright, that's better. Now when you're done, you might not be able to open it with a notepad right now. You'd want to go to open with, choose default program, and notepad. And here you go, with all the stuff inside. Then when you're done that, as you noticed, if you open the ENUS or the lang you got from the archive, well, from the Minecraft jar, you notice everything's so messy. You can't even edit like this, and it's impossible to when you do. And really, it is. Even if you edit and it's messy, it'll still be impossible. So what you do is you open with WordPad. If this doesn't show up, go to choose default program, uncheck this, and click WordPad. And temporarily, it'll open with WordPad. Now remember, only do this if the script is in English. So I guess I should change your fluent language to English. And then when you're done that, all you need to do is open in WordPad and you save it as a TXT document, whatever you want to call it. ENUS is fine. And then, and you open this with Notepad, and there we go. It's much better, but much better. Then later, all you need to do, if for my latest build, if it has exactly everything from both sides, if the two Farsi packs are side by side, then you what's missing here? Then you select the part that's the same in the other in the new file, and then you copy and paste, which unfortunately I'm trying to find out what's missing here. And you find what's missing, and if you find it, then you'd want to select here, copy, and then paste, which unfortunately is looking weird here. Oh, and it's better to edit when you do not have word wrap enabled, and on both. So this says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exactly the same. But I discovered I was missing the back command here. So all I select is to the cancel, which is right above the back. Copy this, paste it right here. And then once I have something that's in English, you'd want to go to your translator, or if you are fluent in Farsi, you'd like to translate it yourself. Which when you do that, you wouldn't want to type it in there like how it's normally spelt. So let me go to the translator because I'm not really fluent in Farsi. You'd want to type in the text backwards. So let's go to Persian. Back. And here we go. Here's our word. Copy. Or you could just you don't need to do what I'm doing. You only do if you're translating with that's not from a translator. And then you let's make the font bigger here, which we don't want to ruin this. So I know exactly which characters are here. So I type it in backwards. So it's left to right. So I see a te there. I type the te first. Oop, needs to be in Farsi. And then a sheen. Oh wait, no, that's a sat. Sheen. Yeah, this is sheen. And then pe. There we go. And then in the game, it should be looking like this. Even though the letters won't even be connected. Anyways, that's the point. And then you continue. And it looks like everything here is the same. So I select the whole page. Copy. And then paste. And you keep going, and keep going, and keep going. Let's go all the way to the bottom where it says, right here. Keep in mind, if you do or don't know, that this percent sign or whatever these characters are, it means that that could be varied. So keep that there. Never remove it. And if you're trying to put like a name or a variable, try to arrange that somewhere else. But you could have problems if you're typing behind. What the heck? What is that? So you could, if you have to type, if you could type in front, like or behind, whichever way you like, it'll work. But from the back it won't. So if you have to have this at the front of the word, if you're writing in Farsi script, then you're gonna want to change that so it's a phonetic. So let's say I want to say Shomahubi. I don't want to type it in Persian. I type it like this. Like that. That's easy. And then you continue and continue and continue. Once you're done, let's say this is done when it isn't even, you go to Save As, and you go to All Files. Do not make it ANSI, make it UTF, and call it INUS, or no, FAIR.lang. And it could replace this one, so keep it out if you want to. And there you're done. And then once you're done that, you, what's that called? Oh, you also do the same thing if you're saving the file. Which if you, let's say you saved in, when you're in progress, and you just finished, you just click save, and you're done. And it should update. And once it did update, screw this. Then you go back, and you change what you changed new in the changelog. And if the how to install goes weird again, oh, it didn't, finally, then you'd want to keep that, and underneath you'd want to type in who it was made by now. So you want to put 2013. Oops. and whatever you are. Once you're completed, you'd want to archive this. You add to archive, and let's make it a zip. I'm gonna call it Farsi pack for Minecraft 1.6.2. And here you go. Here's your file. This is the one you upload to the web and give a link, and you're done. Thank you for watching.